I'm going to be putting in the new K&N filter that I just bought. It's going to take about an hour to install, so I'll make a follow-up video in an hour once I'm done putting this in, so I'll come back in 1 hour. Hey guys, it's Hypersecures here with another video. Today I'm going to be changing the stock filter in my 2015 Ford Taurus Limited. So here you got the stock filter, and here's what I'm going to be installing, which is going to take me about an hour. I got my K&N Performance cold air intake here that I got from K&N. Finally arrived. Finally got the chance to install this. Here's a filter. So it's gonna take me about an hour to put in. So I'll follow up with you guys as soon as I have it installed. So take a look in 1 hour from now. Alright, so this is what the stock filter sounds like before. So this is stock. Alright, so that's what the stock filter sounds like. So now I'm going to go disassemble the stock filter, and I'm going to go install the K&N filter, so I'll check back with you guys in 1 hour. Hey guys, Hypersecures back here. So I finally got my K&N cold air intake finally installed. Got the air sensor in and stuff, got the filter in. I just put the tubes back on. The tubes are back on, so yeah. So that's what it looks like right now with it installed. Nice cold air intake. And this is what I took off. The stock air filter. Very bulky this thing is, man. Seriously, these stock filters are seriously really, really bulky. I don't know why they're so bulky, but they take up so much space, and well, they don't look that nice at all. They look horrible, if you ask me. So that's the stock one. Packages and stuff, everything that came in. K&N air filters. So now it's time to see what it sounds like after I put the cold air intake. So hope you guys enjoy the nice loud sound that there is. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so this is what the cold air intake is going to sound like. So here we go. Wow. I gotta take this for a test drive now. So that's our K&N cold air intake installed. After almost like 2 hours trying to install it, I had my dad help me. Thank you, Dad, for helping me out. I'll have to share my dad this video after so you can see this. Well, that's that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well, more adventures with this car, you know. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.